Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm plan in my classic happy planner the next week of May. Oh, okay. I don't know what we're planning. I thought it was for my mom's birthday, but the next week is my mom's birthday. So let's see. This is my page where I have planned out what we're gonna plan. Oh, we're doing washi. So let's just pick out some washi that I like. Hopefully you like too. Let's comment down below, what is your favorite place? Where is your favorite place to get washi? Do you use washi? Or do you prefer not to? So let's pick out what we want. Do we have any holidays or anything? Not really. Okay, that I don't like this one as much as some weeks. It's not horrible, it's just, I don't know. It's too much. I can't figure out how to make washi look how I want it to look, but this is what we're stopping with. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any washi tips for me, please leave them down below. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the little notification bell. Thanks. Bye.